some kind of statistical average, the average value you have to consider, like sigma of 1 plus sigma of 2 divided by 2. Okay. For epsilon, different force will utilize different formula, not always the this what we call as normal mean, but some different kind of values like other mean they take, like a under root of epsilon 1 into epsilon 2 divided by something like that. So if you know these two things, you can basically calculate the van der Waals interaction at any position. Now, along with the two terms, there was one more thing which was related with the Rm. Like we talked about the distance, which was sigma, which is not exactly at the epsilon. So whenever you want to talk about the epsilon thing, some other distance will come into picture. That other distance is actually distance Rm. Rm is the distance at which actually your intermolecular potential, your Lg potential will reach at its minimum value, where you can consider that your attraction is dominating the repulsion the most. Now here, some time things might be a little bit confusing when you are talking in terms of force, and certain times you are talking about potential energy. So you can say if here we are talking about attraction is dominating repulsion the most at this position Rm. But here we are saying force is what? Force is 0. So you should consider force is not equal to potential energy. Force, what is the relation between force and potential energy? F is equal to
dE by dr.
minus dE by dr. Okay, minus U by dr. So this is something like a intuitive formula I said you have to consider, but to assume that what exactly mean by force is equal to 0 at this particular position. Remember that I said potential energy is the minimum. It is going to have the highest value for the attractive part of the overall potential, but the force at this thing it will be 0, because this is something like whenever the depth is going to occur, this is actually the equilibrium position. At equilibrium position the force is 0. Now here we are saying at this part, after this particular point of Rm, the force is going to be attractive, and after this point the force is going to be the repulsive. Okay, so somewhere like you should try to distinguish in between force and what is exactly the potential. So we'll take one numerical. This is actually a very big numerical, but we will take it part by part so that some of the concepts related to this potential energy, forces, and so many positions are there that will be cleared out so that you will actually understand how these things are modeled in reality. So let's start with the first part. Okay, so here you have the question, what? You can take out a copy and please write it down. Otherwise, later on, you might miss some of the stuff. So, what does the Lennard-Jones potential predict for the separation Rij equal to Rm, where the energy is at its minimum value? Okay. And A has been given 10 raised to power minus 77 joule meter power 6, and B is given as 10 raised to power minus 134 joule meter power 12. Okay, so if you read this question, what has been asked to you? Something. This is again like I said, van der Waals energy you can calculate as a function of distance. So here in this particular question, you have been given the values for the parameters in terms of A and B. Sigma and epsilon is not given to you. A and B is given to you. Okay. and they are asking you what does the Lennard-Jones potential predict for the separation Rij equal to Rm. So if you draw this Lennard-Jones potential, so what is the distance Rm? Rm is the distance where this is the well depth occurs, where actually the epsilon occurs. So this is, if you are plotting as this, so this distance is particularly Rm. So at Rm, what is the Lennard-Jones potential predict? Means what do you have to evaluate? P of Lj at Rij is equal to Rm. You have to evaluate V of Lj, or simply you can say V of Lj of Rm is equal to what? So can you calculate this value of V of Lj of Rm? Please take out a calculator and try to identify the value. What is the formula you are going to use here? V of Lj of Rm.
So like B by R power 12 minus A by R power 6.
Yes. In that formula, you have to substitute the values. So what, suppose if you are talking about this AB form, V of Lj is equal to B by R power 12 minus A by R power 6. So suppose V of Lj of Rm I have to evaluate. So B by Rm power 12 and this should be A by Rm power 6. So this is what you have to evaluate. Now A and B you already know. So what you have to calculate? What do you have to calculate?
Rm value.
Rm. So how will you get Rm?
Like since
Differentiate
Lj is
the
minimum
six.
at that point, we can do differentiation and equilibrium.
Yes. So at Rij is equal to Rm, you can take some condition. At this point, what is going to happen to VLj? VLj is minimum. So you can use the formula dVLj by dr is equal to at Rij is equal to Rm. So suppose the distance is Rm, what will be dVLj by dr at Rm?
0.
0. So this is indirectly telling you that what is the value of force at equilibrium? 0. Right. So now can you calculate this? What is the value of Rm?
2 power 1 by 6 into 10 power minus 8.
How much? 2 point?
2 power 1 by 6 into 10 power minus 8.
What is the unit? This is for RM you are saying, value or VLJ?
RM, sir. 1.122 into 10 power minus 8.
No. Can you substitute V of LJ here and then find out RM? I would suggest first find out the value of RM in terms of A and B, because later on whatever other parts will be there, if you directly know the formula for RM in terms of A and B, it will be easy to evaluate. Once you know A and B, you have to just substitute the value here and continue. What is the formula for RM you have got? In terms of A and B?
2b by 6 root.
2b by A power what?
1 by
1 by
6.
6.
1 by 6. Right. Here you can substitute the value and then you can ultimately reach here. Everyone got this? 2b by
So
A
it's
power?
minus 2b by.
No, it's positive. Somewhere one minus would have been extra. Everyone calculated this? Vignesh?
Sir, I'm getting VLJ value 10 power minus 20 by 4 negative. Minus 10 power minus 20 by 4.
Vignesh will reach there. Just like can we have you got this 2b by A power 1 by 6?
Sir, I just substituted RM power 6 in the equation VLJ.
Sir,
So directly
3.5 for minus 10, sir.
okay. 3.5 into 10 raised to power minus 10. So if you substitute this formula, it is becoming 0.3549 nanometer. Okay, you might have got it 3.549 into 10 raised to power minus 10, and the unit becomes meter power 12 divided by meter power 6 to the power 1 by 6. So this is meter. You can convert it into angstrom or nanometer. So this is telling you something, that at what distance the RM is occurring. What is the distance? These are the atomic things that has been given to you. I think I remember these parameters A and B. This is for finding out the Lennard-Jones potential between two methane molecules. Okay. So I said, even though they are molecules, sometimes I said that two molecules can be represented by certain things, which is called as united atom representation. Like that one particle, it is going to how it is interacting. Not always you have to consider for atoms, certain times for two different like molecule also you can consider, and for each molecule you can just give again the two parameters. Sigma, whatever is the size of the overall methane molecules instead of individual carbon and hydrogen. You can give the single sigma value to one methane molecule and single epsilon value, and this is how if the second molecule is coming into picture. So with this interaction strength, it is going to interact with the another one. So it is telling us that this is the position at which the equilibrium will occur. If you see this thing in more detail, I've taken this from one book. So here you can observe. This is, they are mentioning the distance RE. So this is equivalent to our RM. And at this particular thing, you can say this what value did we get? 3 point minus 3.49 something. So here at this distance, the minimum is occurring. Okay. Now, is this the value of sigma? Is this distance equal to sigma? What is the sigma here in this particular plot? R0. This is different. This value will be lesser. This is your RM value. Okay. So we can actually calculate from the RM itself. We can calculate R0. That we'll do little bit later. First, you have to find out the value of VLJ. So VLJ, how much value did you get? VLJ of RM, how much have you got? Can you substitute the value of RM? Minus 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 21 joule. Okay, so this is telling you this is the correct value. What is the formula for V of Lj in terms of A and B? Now this value is correct, but in terms of A and B also, can you tell me what is the V of Lj at RM will become?
minus a square by 4b.
Minus A square by 4b. This will be useful later on. So this particular value you have got, this is what is answering this question. What does the Lennard-Jones potential predict for the separation Rij equal to Rm? Maybe you could find out this particular Lennard-Jones potential at some other distances also. So this is somewhat you can consider the V of Lj of Rm. It is somewhat representing the value of epsilon only. But this is just given in terms of joule. The epsilon value normally comes in calories per mole or joules per mole. So some other things need to do, but somewhat you can consider this is the also talking about the strength of interaction only. So this is actually the van der Waal interaction strength. Van der Waal interaction strength between two methanes. And what is the medium? There is no medium. This is actually in free space. This is the two body interaction. The two things are going to interact with this much strength. If there are multiple particles coming into picture, so the two will be always, you can in your computational thing, you can actually separate the interaction. And if you want to evaluate the overall interaction, now I said, if you imagine just this as the two particles, what are their interaction, just this is given by this. But if you want to see a system, bigger system, and if you want to interact their interaction with some surrounding medium, so that also can be evaluated. But you can then consider how complicated that will be. The two things are interacting, but then each and everything is also going to have some contribution of interaction. All this two body interaction you have to sum up, and a very big level of calculation will be carried out. So this is just giving you idea that a very small level of two body interaction, what value will give to you. Okay. So I said this is about the something related to VLJ of Rm or epsilon. If you want to talk about the sigma thing, so from same thing, you can actually evaluate the value of sigma. Just simply if I write down what is the relation between Rm and sigma. Can you calculate the relation between Rm and sigma? Can you give me the value of sigma? Yes, how to proceed? Yes, 0.316 nanometer. How did you calculate?
So like Rm equal to 2b by a 441/6. I substituted b and a.
Okay, from the earlier formula, you can take 2b by a power 1 by 6. And think you directly substituted b and a.
Yes, sir.
So even if you don't know a and b, still you can find out the relation between sigma and Rm. Okay, how can you do that? You know a is equal to 4 epsilon sigma power 6 and b is equal to 4 epsilon sigma power 12. This I mentioned in the earlier graph itself, what are the values of a and b. So always there will be the fixed relation between Rm and sigma. So if you substitute even these things also instead of a and your whatever values are given into the numerical, instead of that if you substitute this generalized thing, then also the Rm is going to be equal to 2 power 1 by 6 times sigma. This is the relation between Rm and sigma, and based on this you can calculate the value of sigma as 0.3162 nanometer. Okay, so if you see this distance 0.3162, it is smaller than 0.3549. The distance Rm, it occurs at some higher distance. If you see this particular figure here, you can see when they are approaching very close, where like both the things intermolecular potential is becoming zero. So this particular distance is sigma, but this is some higher distance at which the equilibrium occurs is sigma by 2 plus slightly more distance will be there. So this is the difference between Rm and sigma. So if you plot this here, you can get the R0 value that is equal to 0.316 and this was 0.3 the earlier value was 0.3549. Okay. Now this we understood in terms of potential. For potential, we can find out one more thing. Right on the next question. Find the ratio. Find the ratio of Lennard-Jones potential minimum. Ratio, you have to take two terms. So Lennard-Jones potential minimum is your numerator to the purely attractive van der Waals component of interaction potential. Interaction potential at Rn. Okay, what is the second term? Purely attractive van der Waals component of the interaction potential at Rn for any given R, A and B value. For any given A and B values or parameters. Can you tell me what has been asked? Some kind of ratio you have to consider. Ratio of what to what?
A by Rm power 6 by Lj minimum.
A by, sorry,
Rm power 6
A by Rm power 6. Okay.
by
Two.
Lj minimum, that is
What is
S
Lj
minus
minimum?
A square by 4b.
Minus A square by 4b.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But I think the ratio you are taking, what should be at the numerator? Ratio of Lennard-Jones potential minimum. What is the Lennard-Jones potential minimum?
minus a square by 4b.
Minus a square by 4b. Okay, so I'm writing this properly. So what has been asked to you, Lennard-Jones potential minimum. So again, what you have taken earlier, V of Lj of Rm to what can I write down? Something at Rm. What is this something at Rm? This is V of VDW. This is attractive part. They have asked you purely attractive van der Waal component of Lennard-Jones potential. Now this you will understand only if you have understood this particular plot properly. So what the ratio they are asking? The ratio of this one, the VLJ of Rm to what? Purely attractive potential. What is the purely attractive potential? This particular part. This you can stretch it down till where actually this Rm equates, and at this particular point they are asking you what is your purely attractive part. I said this is having attractive and repulsive part both. So if they have asked for the ratio of attractive part, you should take into consider what formula? Minus a power r minus a by r power 6, and they are asking at a distance rm. So what will this term will become? Minus a divided by rm power 6. So I hope you have got what is the ratio they are asking. This is also having some significance that the Lennard-Jones potential, this is having some value. This value is smaller or bigger than the attractive part. The value of Lennard-Jones potential at minimum, is it smaller or bigger than the attractive part? If you talk in terms of magnitude, so this will be having the lesser value, this will be having the higher value. So we are just trying to identify that overall, like the attractive part, how much it is dominating by. So if you are taking some ratio of something smaller to bigger, so the value should come less than 1, right? So that's what you should calculate. So if you take this V of Lj of Rm to purely attractive part. So V of VDW at Rm I said. So V of Lj of Rm, it is given by which formula? V of Lj of Rm.
Minus a square by 4b.
So earlier we have evaluated this, right? V of Lj of Rm is equal to minus a by Rm power 6 plus b by Rm power 12. So in terms of A and B, I said you should, if you calculate this, if you don't calculate this earlier and if this is asked later, so you have to again do this calculation. So this becomes minus a square by 4b. Okay, and what is this? VDW at Rm, this will be equal to
minus
minus this is equal to
Minus a square
say
by 2b.
by
say again
Minus a square by 2b.
minus a square by 2b. Okay, you have already substituted in terms of Rm only.
Minus a by Rm power 6.
Minus a by Rm power 6. Okay, so this I said again, this is based on this minus a by r power 6 only instead of r, we are replacing rf's to talk about only the attractive part. In the same way, I could ask you even what is the ratio for the repulsive part also. So if you want to calculate this, then again Rm you need to substitute what was the value of Rm, 2d by a power 1 by 6. So this Rm should be substituted here. So what do you get? What is the ratio?
0.5.
1/2, right? Everyone got this? 1/2? What is it signifying? That the Lennard-Jones potential, whatever value it is having, the attractive part is having twice the value of it. The attractive part is having 2 times the magnitude of the Lennard-Jones potential as per the any of the Lennard-Jones potential formula. Okay. Now the next question. We'll talk for something related to force. Now at energy minimum, what is the value of force? At energy minimum, what is the value of force?
Zero.
0. Okay. So at what distance force, I should call it as attractive force, is maximum? Force is not maximum at your equilibrium. Force at equilibrium is 0. At what distance it is actually maximum? How will you find out?
Double differentiation of VLJ.
Yes. So again, if you focus on this plot, after this also you have seen like this is the equilibrium position at which force is equal to 0, but the attractive part is the highest one. There will be some distance, you can take it as RS, where actually the force is going to from 0, it is going to become reach to some highest value, and again then it will approach to the 0, no interaction things. So this particular thing F max, it is occurring at distance, some distance RS. So what you can do, you can take like let distance Rij is equal to Rs, where F is maximum. Okay. So your force is equal to going to be d, F is equal to dVLJ by dr. So when the force is maximum, what can you take? dF by dr as? dF by dr when the force is maximum as?
Zero.
0. So what will become? What can you do with this? d2VLJ by dr square is equal to 0. So this you can solve, and ultimately you can get the value of, based on this, some value of Rs. I would suggest like you guys find out the value of Rs. I will ask next time. Okay, there is some more parts to this. I will take it next time. Okay, related to presentation, I asked 3 people to be ready next time. It was a group of Rashmi, Tanmay, and Prabuddha, if I'm correct.
Yes, sir.
Prabuddha, madam? Okay. So I don't know whether all 3 will be possible next time. But we all 3, like we'll start with Rashmi's group. Rashmi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You'll be ready, right?
Sir, actually, we are working on the project, but Sir, can we do it like we are trying to do our best and completing it, but I think we could do it better the next day or like
No, no, Rashmi, now I think already I have increased like around 4 days in total, and we have to finish it up. And I think Rashmi, your topic, I think you chose that Swiss ADM thing, right?
yes, sir, ADM, yes.
That's why I wanted to start with you guys, because I don't think their calculation any problems you'll face. Only you have to go into the details more, but I don't think any calculation problems will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So yeah,
huh?
we have progressed with the project. It's just like we are not sure.
Yeah, no, but now it's time actually. Now you have to finish it up. Okay.
So okay, sir.